In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide text messages on your iPhone's lock screen. Okay, so to do this, it is very easy. So what you need to do is go to the Settings app on your phone. Once you are then in Settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find Notifications. Click on Notifications, and then we're looking for the Messages app. So scroll down until you find your Messages app. Here we are inside of Messages, just the default Messages app. You can turn off notifications altogether, but if you want to just hide the message context on your screen, then what you can do, you can go here where it says banner style, and you can keep it on temporary. And then here where it says show previews at the bottom, go ahead and click on that, and it's going to be on always by default. You want to change it to never. So this way, you're never going to be able to see a preview of the message that was sent on Messages. You are going to get a notification saying you've received a message, but it won't show you a preview of anything in that message. You may also want to go to announce notifications and turn that off as well. That way Siri or your AirPods won't announce any notifications or messages. So that is how you can do it. I hope that quick video was useful and helped you out.